I would like to say that this is an eye-opener.
I like this course, first of all, because it was very interactive. It's not boring like listening to a lecture.
I think I learned a lot from you, explaining how to use the ChatGPT, but also I learned a lot from the exercises provided on this time.
What really made sense to me was the methodology to question ChatGPT and the fact that I could drill down to the specific answers.
Gonna be big takeaway how I create my prompt. I've been guided right to drill down into the ideas.
And really what was important was how to talk to ChatGPT, and you gave some clear points, some clear guidance on how actually to formulate relevant questions to have a best result.
I like very much that ChatGPT it's writing the conclusion to our financial analysis.
It was like a primer for all my work.